Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Xu, graduated from Xiamen University. My major is animal genetics. From now on, I will bring you the knowledge and the suggestion of pet health regularly. Welcome to follow us and give us your questions and suggestions. Here is a model of female adult cat, and now I'll show you some main organs of cats. You can see the gut and the stomach for nutrition intake, and here is the spleen and the kidney, and here is the lung for breathing. Under the lung is the liver, which is one of most important tissue for keeping basic health.